My name is Kat. I am the Community Outreach Dietitian here at Lee Health Coconut Point, and today we're going to be making the best veggie burgers ever. In these veggie burgers, don't be intimidated by all the ingredients. We have bulgur, we have beets, we have walnuts and pecans, we have basil, we have baby food, we have pinto beans, we have some fresh mint, we have breadcrumbs, we have mustard, and then we have some garlic powder. So I've been practicing with different veggie burgers, and I find that they either crumble, which is extremely aggravating, or they don't taste good, or they're dry. So with this combination, everything seems to flow nicely, and they're also a little bit red. So I would say probably 4 minutes on each side.